Aeropostale again. If you saw my last video, my Black Friday haul, we went to a different mall and we stopped by Aeropostale and I got more jeans. I got these cargo pants, the convertible cargo pants. Bro, these are so good. I love them. Let me try them on. Okay, JK, I'm too lazy to try them on, but I'll just show you. Welcome to my unboxing. Ignore the mess in the background. The first package I have is from Veiled. I am so excited. Veiled. Stop. These are so soft. Oh my god. I got this Modal scarf in black. So freaking pretty. I love it so much and it's so soft. Oh, I love it. And then I got one for my mom. The Modal hijab in cocoa. This one, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. And the last one I got was chocolate plum. Ooh, okay, I like this color. Pretty. I love it. Oh my god, I love it so much. Now I'm gonna open presents that I got from my friend. Yum! Holiday fudges from Trader Joe's. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. That was my haul. I hope you liked it. Very cute. I'm very grateful for everything. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.